Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of June. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. Last week, we spoke about how we see a combined probability of 75% of hard and soft landing, where gold would be in demand. We see gold benefiting from safe haven demand in the case of hard landing and having a higher baseline price due to lingering political uncertainties in the case of a soft landing. Especially now, given the recent focus moving to US debt repayment, that there is limited appetite to build short gold positions, given the continued uncertainties surrounding tariffs, stagflation risk, and scope for rate cuts. Moreover, it is important to note that gold has not had to compete with the US dollar for safe haven flows, which is another supportive factor for gold prices. However, there are offsetting parts. For example, it is entering a seasonally slow consumption period. Positioning for gold is still relatively neutral, and prelim data for May suggests physically backed gold exchange-traded products have declined over the past month. Overall, these point towards further consolidation ahead in gold. We would be trimming excessive positioning in gold at these levels. Roughly speaking, in a balanced portfolio, it would make sense to trim 20% of one's holding in gold. We've been noticing bias fatigue in Asia, which is a key source of demand, resulting in gold's strong price movement. Now, central bank has shown some price sensitivity this year. Yes, the demand is still strong in the first quarter compared to long-term history, but that had moderated versus the average of the last few years. But we do see strong support at the 3,100 level. That is where investors may consider adding more exposure to gold and aim for our 12-month price target at 3,500. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.